you're worrying about color differences, choose DECNO and let color variation be a thing of the past.
Let's show you how we make it happen.
Step 1. Control color from the film. Before any decorated film enters production, each batch is carefully compared and checked for color currency.
Step 2. Stabilize extrusion production. During extrusion, we lock article parameters, temperature, pressure, and speed throughout the process.
This ensures that every batch, every board is produced under the same conditions, preventing color deviations caused by environmental or process fluctuation.
Step 3. UV process for color restoration.
Through 2 rounds of UV coating and curing, the surface protects the color without altering the original tone. This maximizes the depth and the layering of the wood grain.
Step 4. In-process quality control.
During production, we continuously inspect and compare the first and last board of each batch. This ensures that across the same order or even different production time, the color remains consistent.
This handling whole system from materials, process, equipment, quality control.
That allows DECNO SPC flooring to maintain stable, uniform, and replicable color, even in large-scale production.